I don't know anymore, boy. Help me out here, because I don't know what to do. Okay. No. 3 o'clock is when the meeting starts. So 3 o'clock the meeting's gonna begin, and then but our meeting is like 30 minutes, just the performance, see what we did, how many listings, go through our inquiries that we got, how the viewing's going, everything like that. Yeah, so our meeting is like 30 minutes max, but it's only 2 of us, so it's not gonna take that long. But you want sounding long, yo. That's a 2-4. What do you guys speak about, bro? You sharing affairs there, it's fine.